Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your RainDrop Minute. Installing a trough at the edge of a roof is like the ultimate way to gather debris and leaves, isn't it? You need gutter guards on all gutters. Here's another excerpt from our installation video. The sections of RainDrop gutter guard are interlocking so that one screw could hold the end of both pieces down. A 3-foot length of RainDrop has 7 screw holes, but you don't need to put 7 screws in. 3 screws are enough. The reason there are 7 holes is if you cut a section off, there will always be a screw hole near the end. The holes are oval-shaped. Put the screws in the center of the hole. Since the guard will expand and contract with temperature, do not tighten the screws down tight so the guard can move. In fact, we've molded a rib across each screw hole so that the head of the screw does not clamp down tight on the guard and prevent movement. You may adjust the torque on your drill so it stops before tightening the screw too tight, or back off a quarter turn on the screw after driving it all the way. Each box has its own bag of screws. There are 30 lengths of RainDrop gutter guard in each box, 3 feet long, making 90 feet in a box. The screws provided are small, so they will not snag debris. That's your RainDrop Minute. See you soon.